We live in a world overflowing with information from social media, TV, podcasts, news, you name it. Everywhere you look, there's contradicting financial advice. Someone tells you to invest in annuities, and others say to avoid them. One person pushes permanent life insurance, and others say run the other way. Some swear by index funds, others insist on stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. With so much noise, it's easy to make the wrong move, or even worse, do nothing at all. That's why having a trusted advisor who acts as a fiduciary, someone legally committed to putting your best interest first, not selling any products, is so important. And if you're over the age of 50, the margin for error is even smaller. Every financial decision has to be thoughtful, intentional, and calculated. If you're tired of conflicting advice and want clarity from someone who puts your interests first, contact me and let's review situations together.